today we are going to solve exercise 1.5. Question number first. In a previous class you have already studied about the rational number and irrational number. You know that the P by Q, the fraction in the form of P by Q are called the rational number, and where Q is not equal to 0. So you have to start the question number 1 to classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. Here, therefore 2 is a rational number because we can write as 2 by 1 in the form of P by Q. But root 5 is not a whole number. Root 5 is not a whole number. So 2 minus root 5, therefore it is a irrational number. You can write as 2 is a rational number. But root 5 is not a rational number. Hence, or thus 2 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number. We can understand by this way that the difference of the rational number and irrational number is a irrational number. यानी अगर कोई नंबर यहाँ पर रेशनल है और दूसरा इरेशनल है तो इसका डिफरेंस भी जो है इरेशनल होता है. ठीक है. नंबर सेकंड 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. By solving them, we get 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root 23 plus root 23 cancel together minus root 23. We get 3. 3 is we can write 3 as 3 by 1, 3 by 2. So 3 is our irrational number. So therefore 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 is our rational number. Third, 2 by root 7 by 7 root 7. 7 root 7 is cancelled together with 7 by 7. Numerator and denominator both are cancelled. We get 2 by 7 is a rational number. Hence, therefore 2 root 7 by 7 root 7 is our rational number. It is a rational number. In this way, you have to solve the remaining sums from question number 1. Then question number 2. Simplify each of the following equations. Question number 2. First question, simplify each of the following expression. 3 plus root 3 in the first bracket, in the second bracket 2 plus root 2. take here product sign multiply. It means 3 plus root 3 is multiplied by 2 plus root 2. So first of all we have to multiply 3 in a 2 plus root 2. Then plus root 3 is also multiplied by the second bracket 2 plus root 2. Multiplied with 3 2 ja 6 plus 3 multiplied by root 2 we get 3 root 2 plus 2 is multiplied by 3 get 2 root 3 plus root 3 2 ja 6. Understand? Answer. First of all you have to multiply the by 3 in 2 plus root 2, then root 3 is multiplied by the second bracket. Second, 3 plus root 3 and in a second bracket 3 minus root 3. We have to use their identities a plus b and a minus b. You know that a plus b, a minus b equal a plus b, a minus b equal a square minus b square. So by using these identities a square minus b square you have to solve here 3a plus b here in a place of a 3 and in a place of b is root 3. So by according to a square minus b square formulas, 3 square we can write as b square minus root 3 square. 3 3 is 9 minus when root 3 is multiplied by 2 times we remove of the root. It means root 3 का square होगा 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. We get 6. Next. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. We have to simplify. In this question we have to use the identities a plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a we have to use the root 5 and in place of b use root 2. In this way we get a square means root 5 square plus 2ab 2 into a into b into root 5 into root 2 plus b square root 2 whole square. We get root 5 का स्क्वायर करके क्या होता है आपको पता है रूट हट जाता है तो रूट 5 का स्क्वायर होगा 5 प्लस 2 रूट 10 5 2 is 10 root and root multiply together plus root 2 square is we get 2 then 5 plus 2 7 plus root 2 root 2 root 10 is your answer. So by using the identities a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means in question number 2 you have used the identity to solve these sums. Next question number 3. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of circumference. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say c of a circle to its diameter, say d, that is pi is equal to c by d. This seems to contradict to fact that pi is an irrational. How will you resolve the contradiction? Here, pi, you know that pi, the value of pi is equal to 22/7. It can write 3.14424 times. So, there is no contradiction, is either C. The right answer here, there is no contradiction. There is no contradiction as either C or D is an irrational. Is an irrational. So, hence pi is an irrational. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा कि पाई जो है कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन जो है ये पाई जो रेशनल है और इरेशनल है. तो देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर पाई जो डेसिमल की फॉर्म में है. सो वी कैन राइट दैट हियर इज नो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन एज either C or D is an irrational. Hence pi is an irrational number. Next question number 4. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. आपको root 9.3 को number line पर show करना है. So first of all you have to draw 9.3 centimeters on line A and B. One unit more right here. One unit. Increase here C. रूट 9.3 के लिए आप क्या करते हैं 9.3 सेंटीमीटर की एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. उसके बाद एक यूनिट आगे जो है और बढ़ाएंगे. उसके बाद देन यू हैव टू इसका मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे. मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करने के लिए आप पॉइंट ए एंड सी से जो है आप आर्क लगाएंगे ऐसे और इसको ज्वाइन करें. इसकी मिड पॉइंट को सेंटर लेकर के आप इससे जो है लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ये लाइन ये आपको मिलेगी यहाँ पर. जहां से बी पॉइंट्स को इसको मिलाएंगे ये आपका बनाएगा रूट 9.3 रूट. You have to construct only, na? There is no construction will be right. Next. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7. इसमें रेशनलाइज करना आपको डिनोमिनेटर. तो by to rationalize we have to multiply the same number as a denominator ना as sign. It means अगर इसका डिनोमिनेटर जो है आपका 2 डिजिट का है जैसे 2 minus root 3 तो इसके अपोजिट साइड से हम क्या करते हैं न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो यहाँ पर क्या है आपका 1 डिजिट नंबर है. तो 1 डिजिट नंबर होता है तो डिनोमिनेटर से ही जो है न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट एज 1 by root 7 multiplied by root 7 by root 7. Numerator and denominator both are multiplied by root 7. You will get root 7 manja root 7, and when root 7 is multiplied by root 7, you get 7. You know that कि root का 7 into root 7 means root 7 square. Root का स्क्वायर करने पर क्या होता है, रूट हट जाता है, या आप मल्टीप्लाई भी करोगे 7 7 is 49, you will get 7 as a square root of 49. तो 7 by 7, root 7 by 7 is your answer. Next, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. What will you do? Root 7 minus root 6 is multiplied by the opposite side. The numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is multiplied by root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. यानी आपने क्या देखा, इसमें जो डिनोमिनेटर था इसके अपोजिट साइड, यहाँ माइनस था तो आपने प्लस से जो क्या कर दिया, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. When 1 is multiplied by root 7 plus root 6, you get the same number root 7 plus root 6. But denominator use identities a minus b, a plus b. We can write as a square minus b square. So we can write here root 7 square minus root 6 square. Here root 7 plus root 6 and below root 7 की स्क्वायर किए 7 minus root 6 का स्क्वायर किए 6. The 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. यानी root 7 plus root 6 by 1, you will get the same number root 7 plus root 6. Next, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. By rationalizing we get 1 by root 5 plus root 2. It is multiplied by root 5 minus root 2. इसको रेशनलाइज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसका डिनोमिनेटर का जो साइन है पॉजिटिव साइन है, तो इसके निगेटिव साइन से जो है इसको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 1 by root 5 plus root 2 is multiplied by root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. So when 1 is multiplied by root 5 minus root 2, you will get the same number. So we can write as root 5 minus root 2 by a plus b, a minus b. Using identities, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write as root 5 square minus root 2 square. ऊपर आपको वही मिलेगा न्यूमरेटर root 5 minus root 2 and the square root of root 5 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, you will get 5 minus root 2 का स्क्वायर करने पर 2. It means root 5 minus root 2 by 3 is your answer. In this way you will get your answer. The remaining sums you can do in your homework. Thank you students. Thank you very much.